Hi, Marc and Mandy. We're here at Bodacious Bath Bombs today to talk to you about some great new products we're offering. One of the ones that I'm going to focus on is our Dirt and Worms. It's a great product for kids. It's basically a bath bomb in a bag. You scoop out what you want in your bathtub, and the kids have fun with the dirt, the worms, the frogs, and then when they're done, dry them off, throw them back in the bag, and you've got it ready for the next bath time. Great solution. Another great gift idea would be our Rose Soap Bath Bomb. It features, like all of our other bath bombs, coconut oil, jojoba oil, and vitamin E, so it leaves your skin nice and soft in the bath. It's a great decorative piece in your bathroom and, of course, practical as well. An amazing gift idea. For those of you who don't take a bath, we also offer shower steamers. This particular one is our sinus relief. It's great for when you're having a shower. The essential oils come up through the steam, causing that relief through your sinuses when you're all stuffy, just like myself today. So there you go, Marc and Mandy. Some great new trends in bath time fun and simply great gifts for everyone.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.